Neon lights are fading in the mist, a memory of a golden moment missed. We wrote our story on the falling rain, but I would do it all and all again. The wind is cold, the city's standing still. I'm climbing up this lonely silent hill. Having loved, there are no regrets to hold. A story written in a heart of gold. Though the path has led us far apart, you're the permanent ink upon my heart. No bitterness, no shadows in the light, just a beautiful goodbye tonight. I watch the stars above the harbor bay. The echoes of your voice begin to stray. It wasn't meant to last, but it was real. That's the only truth I need to feel. Having loved, there are no regrets to hold. A story written in a heart of gold. Though the path has led us far apart, you're the permanent ink upon my heart. No bitterness, no shadows in the light, just a beautiful goodbye.